Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. If you're looking at my face and thinking, wow, you are in need of some concealer, you are right, because I don't have any on. And today I am trying out the new concealer by Fenty. It is the Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Concealer. I know everybody has been talking about this, so I'm super excited to try it out. This is supposed to be a matte finish that they say is light as air, full coverage, and crease proof. I have the shade 100, which is their lightest shade, and they have 50 shades, which is crazy. I'm hoping this won't be too light for me. This shade is for very fair skin with neutral undertones, and I don't think I'm very fair. However, there's never a shade that is lighter than my skin tone to sort of brighten my under eyes. So I wanted to give that a shot this time now that I actually have that option. So I'm going to try this guy out. So obviously I have my foundation and everything on, so I'm just going to open this guy up. It is a double-sided doe foot applicator, so you can use both sides. Oh, and by the way, I have like 3 dry spots right down here that I'm working on. Sometimes makeup doesn't stick to it, so if that happens, it is not this concealer's fault, especially if it doesn't happen on this other side, which has been totally fine. So just to note, if it doesn't stick in 3 little spots, it's not the concealer's fault. Okay, and I have my damp beauty blender. I'm just gonna blend this out. It's definitely pretty light. That's my fault, but I feel like it'll be so nice and brightening, especially if I get like a good blend. Oh, I know that's super bright, but I kind of like it, and I probably look like super bad flashback and like a ghost, but I never get a brightened under eye. This is so nice. Okay, let's do the other one real quick. I may have put too much on this side because I feel like it looks a little bit whiter and not so much on this side. The coverage is nice. My dark circles are like erased. So before it settles into my fine lines and creases, I'm just going to take my Mercier translucent loose setting powder and get that little spot real quick and set it. Okay, and I know I put on like minimal powder, but I'm going to brush that teensy tiny bit of excess off. Kind of push it in at the same time. Okay, I'm gonna do a wear test, but let's see. Ooh, let's get up close. Sorry, I'm totally blocking my face a little bit. This is nice. Sometimes with full coverage concealer, I can like immediately see that it's drying. Obviously, you know, I'm gonna give it a while and see how it does, but I feel like this looks nice. I feel brightened. I'm definitely not mad at the shade. Hopefully you guys are not going to roast me too much in the comments that it looks really bad, but on camera it looks good and in real life it looks good. So it went on really easily. It blended nicely. The coverage is good. This is definitely a full coverage matte concealer. So I'm going to wear it for quite a while today because I want to see, is it going to get cakey and creasy and settle into my fine lines, or what's gonna happen. So I will check in with you guys later on in the day and let you know how it's going. All right, it has been a while, a few hours, more than a few hours, and we are still looking good. I have like little to minimal creasing, which for me, that's pretty impressive. My only complaint is I feel like the coverage faded just a little bit, but for it not being dry or cakey, I would say it's worth it, especially for someone like me with super duper dry skin. So if you're looking for a nice hydrating foundation that looks very luminous and brightening and makes you look awake, I would go out and try this guy. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.